One of the most exciting features of JPRO are the industry-leading bi-directional tests. JPRO Professional allows technicians to make a command to change or activate a particular electronic component. Bi-directional capability also gives technicians the information to reset or change a component status. Norgan has begun integrating all non-flashing command tests, starting with engine and brakes. We are constantly innovating JPRO software to bring you new commanded tests and enhancements to existing tests. Those changes will be available to the latest software updates, happening 3 times a year. Now, let's learn how to access and take a look at some of the tests currently offered. Instead of looking through a long list, identifying the type of vehicle and/or engine, and then determining what tests are available to you, JPRO does the work for you by connecting to the vehicle and identifying the available tests for the connected make and model. Once you are connected to the vehicle, the bi-directional icon will illuminate. Clicking the icon will launch the bi-directional test selection window. The list of available tests will appear. It will be different depending on the vehicle. Keep in mind, you need to have an active connection to the vehicle in order to run bi-directional commands, or users can simulate a test in the virtual truck connected state. Clicking a test name will display important instructions at the bottom. JPRO allows you to run these tests quickly without having to jump back and forth between different OE software. Let's try doing a cylinder cutout. Click on it in the list. Engine speed is highlighted by default, but you can select parameters from the available list. Click the Add button, and they will be added to the selected list. To remove, select a parameter on the selected list and click Remove. When you are done selecting parameters, click OK. Then, the cylinder cutout dialog box will appear. You'll notice the parameters you selected in the previous section appear in the table below the chart. Be sure to follow the safety warnings and read the instructions in the dialog box as well. In this case, just select the cylinder you want to disable. Remember, you can only select one cylinder at a time. While tests may vary from vehicle to vehicle, the cylinder cutout test will look the same in JPRO software. For the most current, comprehensive listing of all available bi-directional tests and functionality in JPRO, visit our coverage page online here. For the latest update and features available in JPRO, head to the What's New page at norgon.com/JPRO. Remember, all this information is available in the JPRO User Guide. For more information or to purchase JPRO, please call our support team or visit us online.